Romania Work Visa 2024 is a very good work visa that allows you to move to Romania to perform or to in different careers, and I want to share with you a step-by-step guide process, share with you websites that are going to enable you secure employment in Romania. Romania is in Europe, harbors quite a lot of opportunities, a very good country for you to start your immigration journey. It's not a country that I'll recommend for you to stay for a very long time because the wages, mostly if you're unskilled or if you provide unskilled labor, the wages are quite low. But it is a very good point for you to start if you're looking to move around Europe. What I always advocate for, if you really know that you can perform unskilled tasks or unskilled jobs, please do start with countries like Romania, and then you can grow and move to other different parts of EU, that is the European Union, countries that pay more wages in either unskilled jobs, or once you're in these countries that are paying lower wages, you can develop your skills, get and take better courses to enable you to get well-paying jobs and to switch to different careers that are paying well, better or paying better. If you're coming across my video for the first time, I do share information matters of relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conference. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here. I really do appreciate you. I do not take you for granted. Please do remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment if you have any, and share my videos as much as you can. That YouTube will recommend this content to more people who are looking for it, and also you let me grow this community. All the information I talk about on my channel is always linked down below on the description box. Please, I want to share my screen with you. I want us to have a step on one guide by guide process on how you can be able to navigate through these websites that are going to enable you to secure employment in Romania. Please do stick till the end and understand each and everything you need to understand, because sometimes I cover a lot and I get the same questions that I have already covered in the video, and it is hard to explain point by point on the comment section things that I've already explained in details in the video. Let us see what these available opportunities in Romania are about and how to go about application. If you want to succeed hunting for jobs in Romania, this website is one of the best of where you can get unskilled jobs in Romania. I wanted us to look at how to go about you maneuvering this website, because I get quite a lot of people getting confused. So you can either decide to use the job title, company or keywords, city or district to find the jobs. If you don't want to go through that route, you can go through popular job search categories in Romania. There are over 1,083 job vacancies hiring today in Romania. There are retail full-time jobs, food and beverage marketing, customer service, sales full-time, admin full-time, technology, logistics. You can decide to view all jobs, or you can go either by what you feel suits your skill. For this case, let us view all jobs available, because I know I have followers who have or who are looking for jobs in different sectors. So let us look at what is available. The first one is Italian speaker customer care advisor in Bucharest. That might not be good for maybe someone who is not an Italian speaker. There's an IT trainer. There's also that is job in Germany, IT administrator, hiring manager intern, Procter and Gamble. There's that is for Germany. There's IT network security, IT service delivery manager. There's quite a lot of it. I think most the ones that you'll find first are jobs that are mostly skilled. So let us maybe try to categorize down and see like if we can get jobs that are full-time but do not require a lot of skills. Let us look at jobs that are available under the category of food and beverage, so that we see what are the qualifications. So for food and beverage full-time jobs, so there's Radisson Hotel Group, server, waiter, waitress. Do you have an appetite to deliver first-class service and whatnot? It was posted 4 days ago. The job is full-time. Number of applicants is scribbled off. So interested, then why not say can? And the responsibility, they are there. The requirements are there.
At mealtime, guests can satisfy and whatever careers. To find more about the Radisson Group, you click apply now and it will take you direct to where to apply for the job. Okay, let us look at another one. Front office supervisor night shift at Marriott International Hotel in Bucharest also. Marketing and PR coordinator at Marriott International Hotel. Event coordinator at GrabJobs Romania. Okay, that is one. That is food and beverage. Let us look at retail full-time jobs. I will share with you two more websites that you can go through at your own free time. I may not be able to share all the jobs that are available. And remember always, if you will not understand what is on the website, to actually change whatever you're seeing to the English language, because some of the times, like now in this case, this is Romanian. So if you do not know Romanian like myself, you might not be able to actually be able to apply for such jobs. But in most cases, while they're looking for either unskilled or skilled workers, they do not really care if you know the Romanian language or not. But most people, once they get there, they always get a hold of knowing how to speak the language and teaching themselves the language, because remember, I've said time and again that once you move to any new country, knowing their language is the bare minimum, because that way you'll blend more with people, you'll know the ins and out, and also the system is better for you when you know their language. Until next time, be safe, keep safe, and bye.